Iran, with a population of over 88 million, fields around 610,000 active personnel, 350,000 reservists, and 220,000 paramilitary forces, totaling over 1.18 million military personnel. Its strength lies in numbers and regional depth. Israel, with just 9.4 million people, maintains 170,000 active troops, a robust 465,000 reservists, and 35,000 paramilitary forces, about 670,000 in total. Its edge? Elite training, rapid mobilization, and high-tech integration. Iran has the numbers. Israel has the readiness. In this standoff, it's not just about size, it's about speed, skill, and strategy. In the skies above the Middle East, two nations prepare for what may never come, but must always be ready for. Iran and Israel, rivals in ideology, separated by distance, but locked in a silent aerial arms race. Iran fields around 551 aircraft, including 186 fighter jets and 129 helicopters, but many are aging platforms, remnants of pre-1979 US deals and Soviet-era imports. Its Air Force relies on MiG-29s, F-4 Phantoms, and Su-24s, with limited modernization. However, Iran compensates with drone warfare, producing and exporting systems like the Shahed 136, used in asymmetric and proxy conflicts. Israel operates 611 aircraft, including 240 fighter jets, many of them F-35I Adders, the stealth variant of the US F-35, customized for Israeli needs. Its Air Force is backed by advanced radar, electronic warfare, and precision-guided munitions. With 48 attack helicopters and a robust aerial refueling fleet, Israel maintains regional air superiority and global reach. Iran has the numbers and the drones. Israel has the stealth and the tech. In the battle for the skies, it's not just about altitude, it's about advantage. On the ground, where steel meets soil, Iran and Israel bring two distinct arsenals to the battlefield. This is a clash of machines, tactics, and terrain, without counting boots on the ground. Iran fields a formidable inventory of 1,713 tanks, mostly older Soviet and Chinese models like the T-72 and Zulfikar. Its armored vehicle count is staggering, over 65,800 units, including APCs, IFVs, and technicals. Artillery is another strong suit, 2,196 towed guns, 1,030 self-propelled units, and 1,755 rocket artillery systems give Iran deep firepower across long distances. Its doctrine emphasizes asymmetric warfare, using terrain, mobility, and saturation tactics to overwhelm conventional forces. Israel counters with 1,300 tanks, led by the Merkava 4, a domestically built, heavily armored main battle tank with advanced fire control and crew protection. It operates around 36,000 armored vehicles, including cutting-edge IFVs like the Namr and Eitan. Artillery includes 650 self-propelled guns, 300 towed, and 48 rocket systems, fewer in number, but integrated with real-time battlefield intelligence and precision targeting. Israel's land power is built around speed, survivability, and digital coordination. Iran brings volume, tanks, guns, and vehicles in overwhelming numbers. Israel brings precision, fewer systems, but smarter, faster, and deadlier. On this battlefield, it's not just about how much you have, but how well you use it. In the tense waters of the Middle East, two rivals prepare for the waves ahead, Iran and Israel, each with a navy that reflects its strategy, geography, and ideology. Let's dive into the numbers. Iran controls a total of 101 naval assets. That includes 7 frigates, deployed for patrols and long-range operations. It also operates 3 corvettes, smaller yet capable surface combatants. But the real depth of Iran's force? It's 19 submarines, mostly Ghadir-class, built for stealth attacks in the shallow Persian Gulf. Now compare that to Israel, with 67 naval assets in total. Among them, 3 SAR-5 class corvettes, heavily armed with Barak 8 missiles and advanced radar. Then there are 5 Dolphin-class submarines, rumored to be nuclear-capable and key to Israel's second strike capability. When it comes to manpower, Iran fields over 18,000 naval personnel. This includes the IRGC Navy, which specializes in swarm tactics and fast attack boats. Israel, by contrast, maintains a more compact force, around 9,500 personnel, but highly trained and tech-savvy. Strategically, Iran focuses on controlling the Strait of Hormuz, using mines, missiles, and hit-and-run tactics. Israel? It emphasizes submarine power projection, protecting sea lanes in the Mediterranean and Red Sea, With a tight blend of air, sea, and cyber assets, Iran brings the numbers. Israel brings the precision. Quantity versus quality, old doctrine versus next-gen warfare. And beneath the surface, a silent contest for dominance continues.